Next definition is cofactors of the matrix. Formula is Aij equal to minus 1 power I plus j Mij. So Aij is a cofactor of the matrix. I row and j column equal to minus 1 power I plus j into minor of this matrix. So first we have to take the second order determinant A11, A12, A21, A22. So find the cofactor of this determinant. We have to take the first. We have to find out the cofactor of A11. So A11 is write on the formula. So in the A11 place, I place 1, j place is 1. So Aij, so 1 equal to minus 1 power in the formula I plus j. So 1 plus 1 into Mij is M11. So A11 equal to minus 1 whole square, minus 1 whole square. The M11 means the minor of this determinant. So minor of the determinant is, so minor of the A11 is A22. So in the place A22. So minus 1 whole square is minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. So 1 into A22 is A22. So A11 equal to first cofactor value is A22. Next one. Next we got to find out the cofactor A12. A12 means I plus 1, j plus 2. So formula is minus 1 power I plus j. So 1 plus 2 into M12. So minus 1 plus 2 is 3. So minus 1 cube into M12 is A12. So M12 is A12. The cofactor of A12 is A21. Sorry, the minor of A12 is A21. So minor of M12 is A21. So minus 1 cube is minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So value is minus 1 into A21. Minus 1 into A21 is minus A21. Third one is cofactor of A21 is, again applying the formula I plus 2, j plus 1. So minus 1 power I plus j is 2 plus 1 into M21. So minus 1 cube into M21. So M21 is, we have to compute the next minor is A21. So A21, the minor of the A21 is A12. So this value is minus 1 cube is minus 1 into minor of A21 is M21 is A12. So A21 equal to minus A12. Last one is the cofactor of A22. Yes. So the cofactor of A22, we have to apply the formula I equal to 2, j equal to 2, minus 1 power 2 plus 2, M22. So minus 1 power 4. M22 is minor of second row, second column. So minor of second row, second column is A11. So minus 1 power 4 is minus 1 4 times multiply plus 1 into A11. So the result is A22 equal to A11. So this is the cofactor of the second order determinant. Next we have to move to compute the cofactor of the third order determinant. Third order determinant is 3 rows and 3 columns. So A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Find the cofactor of A11. So we have to find out the cofactor of A11. So applying this formula, this is the formula for cofactor. So A11 equal to minus 1 power 1 plus 1 into minor of 111. So minor of 111 is we have to, suppose we have to take A11 means we have to delete first row and first column. The remaining elements are A22, A23, A32, A33. Find the determinant of this matrix. So minus 1 square into cross multiply determinant A22, A33 minus A32, A23. So this is the first result of first cofactor value of A11. Again A12 formula, applying the formula, A12 is minus 1 power 1 plus 2 into, we have to take A12. So A12 is, we have to delete the corresponding column and corresponding row. Remaining values are A21, A23, A31, A33. So result is A21, A23, A31, A33. So minus 1 cube into cross multiply A21 into A33 determinant A21 into A33 minus A31 into A23. Minus 1 cube is minus of A21, A33 minus A23, A31. Next, the cofactor of A13. A13 is, applying the formula, minus 1 power 1 plus 3 into minor of this determinant. So A13 is, delete the corresponding column and corresponding row. Remaining values are A21, A22, A31, A32. So A21, A22, A31, A32. So minus 1 power 4 into cross multiply A21 into A32 minus A31 into A22. So minus 1 power 4 is minus 1 multiplying 4 times plus 1. So A21 into A32 minus A22 into A31. Similarly, we have to compute the second row first column. Second row first column is A21 equal to minus 1 power 2 plus 1. A12, A13, A32, A33 minus 1 whole cube cross multiply A12, A33 minus A32, A13 minus 1 cube is minus of A12 into A33 minus A13 into A32. Cofactor of A22, second row second column is minus 1 power 2 plus 2 into minor values A11, A13, A31, A33 minus 1 power 4 into cross multiply A11 into A33 minus A31 into A13 minus 1 power 4 is plus 1. So A11, A33 minus A31, A13. Next, cofactor of second row third column, applying the same formula, minus 1 power 2 plus 3 into minor value, minor of this determinant. So minus 1 power 5 determinant A11, A32 minus A31, A12. Minus 1 is multiplying 5 times minus into A11, A32 minus A31, A12. Next one, the cofactor of third row first column is minus 1 power 3 plus 1 into minor value, minus 1 power 4 into A12, A23 minus A22, A13. So minus 1 power 4 is plus 1. So A12, A23 minus A32, A13. So finally, the cofactor of A32 is minus 1 power 3 plus 2 into minor of this determinant. So minus 1 power 5 into A11, A23 minus A21, A13. So minus 1 power 5 is minus of A11, A23 minus A13, A21. Last one is cofactor of third row third column is minus 1 power 3 plus 3 into minor of this determinant. So minus 1 power 6 into A11, A22 minus A21, A12. So the final answer is minus 1 power 6. Minus 1 is multiplying 6 times plus 1. So A11, A22 minus A21, A12. So these are all the calculations of the cofactor of this second order as well as the third order determinant.